Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. I'm Danny Taco.
And I'm Connor Schwenger. Happy homecoming.
Connor, who are you voting for Mr. and Mrs. Hurricane?
Definitely not you.
I was going to vote for you, but you weren't even nominated.
Let's check out the other nominees.
We took a look at this year's 2017 nominees for Mr. and Mrs. Hurricane. Let's see who wins!
I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. And then I saw her face, I'm a believer, and not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love, I'm a believer, I couldn't leave her if I tried. I thought love was more or less a given thing. The more I gave, the less I got, oh yeah. What's the use of trying?
Seniors, don't forget to place your vote.
For Danny.
Or for whoever you want. Anyway, are you excited for your final pep rally?
I'm prepared.
Wow, Connor. Let's take a look at how normal people prepare for pep rally.
In a couple of hours, the gym will once again be filled for our annual pep rally. We went to check out how the key people in homecoming prepare for pep rally and the homecoming game.
Hi, I'm here with the captain of the football team.
Liam McIntyre. Rick Collar.
Are there any pre-game rituals you have?
I kiss my Gatorhead before a game. Liam usually puts my back on.
Jordan, are there any preparations due for the big day?
Well, the entire pep band practices for about 2 months since the beginning of the school year. I'm very excited. I can't wait to finally wear a toga.
Are there any pre-game day homecoming preparations the team does? We all match to look like all together.
And we're also preparing something with the pep band, so that should be super cool too.
Maddie, what's your role in homecoming?
I'm singing the national anthem.
Do you have any rituals before you go out and sing?
Normally I just take a few deep breaths to calm down before I perform.
Are you ready for it?
Danny, do you remember your first homecoming?
Yeah, that was so embarrassing.
Here's some homecoming tips so the underclassmen know what's up.
Hey WHB, it's homecoming. We're going to give you the do's and don'ts. Follow us.
Do. Dress like a hurricane. So I'm here with
Lauren Canine.
So Lauren, how you getting pumped for the homecoming game tonight?
I'm going to be really respectful.
Do. Be respectful in the crowd.
Come on, boys, pick it up!
Pretty good. Don't be disrespectful in the crowd. Don't stand in the opposing team's bleachers.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Do. Show support for your Hurricanes.
I'm pumped for this game.
Dude, let's go so many touchdowns. You guys are late. You guys missed the game. Bro!
Don't be late to the game.
Good luck to the football team tonight.
Have a good homecoming.
This is Danny,
And Connor.
signing off.
Have a great day, WHB.